This video will show you how to disassemble the front cover of an E4, Essence, and Q6-0 Special. The following tools are required to perform this maintenance: a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. Before you begin, make sure you always disconnect the machine from power. Use the flathead screwdriver to flip the side strip loose. Then, remove the entire strip. Remove the screws at both sides of the corner. When the screws are removed, you can take out the cover. You can now perform any maintenance. To place back the cover, first insert it at the upper side underneath the profile. Use your hands to support the cover when pressing it back into place. When in place, align the pre-drilled holes with the side covers. Now you can reattach the screws. Press the strip back into the groove at one side and carefully press it in place to the other side. When the strip is almost fully placed, first press the end of the strip in place and then press on the upstanding part. You have now successfully disassembled the front cover. For more instruction, go to ultrasuninternational.com.